In today's video, we are making a pony bead sunflower. For this video, you will need silk cord, some scissors, a key ring, or a bag clip will do too, pony beads. You'll need some tape. I'm using paint tape, but you can use masking tape, whatever tape you have. And then I'm going to measure just how much cord I'm actually using for this project. And it is about 52 inches. I will fill you in more on how I came to this measurement later in the video. Take your cord and fold it in half. And you'll want to match up the ends. Next, we're going to take our key ring and place the loop through the ring. And then take your two fingers and place it through the loop. And then grab that cord and pull it up through the loop. And then you'll want to tighten it. After we fold the cord in half, attach it to the key ring, we're going to go ahead and get your tape, and then we're going to tape it down. This prevents it from moving. Again, I am using painter's tape, but you can use masking or scotch, whatever tape works for you. And now we're going to start with our left side of the cord, and we're going to attach 3 green beads. After those are on the cord, we're going to take the right side of the cord and place it through the left side of the cord. Just work it through the beads, and then we're going to grab the end and we're going to slowly pull it up to the top of our cord. And we don't want to do it too tight, but we do want to do it firm, and you may have to adjust with your hands. Now we're going to take the cord on the left-hand side again, and we are going to add our next set of beads, which is 2 yellow beads, and just place them on the cord. And then we will follow the same process by taking the cord on the right and working it through the cord on the left. And we're going to grab our ends and pull it up to the top. This time we're going to add 3 more beads, which is 1 yellow, 1 brown, and 1 yellow pony bead. So go ahead and take that right side of the cord and place it through the left side. Now we're going to add 2 yellow beads, and this will form our flower. So go ahead and place those 2 beads on the left-hand side, and then we'll take the cord from the right side and place it through on the left side. And now we have our first formed flower. Now we're going to add 3 green beads on the left-hand side. And then we're going to take the right cord and place it through the left cord again. And then pull it all the way up. I really love the way this looks with the yellow. Now we're going to start our next flower. So that will be 2 yellow pony beads. And then we'll place the cord on the right through the cord on the left through those 2 yellow beads. And we'll pull up just like before. So we're just going to continue following this pattern, and I will guide you along the way with my words and on the screen. Continuing to repeat the middle part, we'll have 1 yellow, 1 brown, and 1 yellow pony bead. I came up with the measurement of the cord and did about half of what I would normally do. I would cut off about 4 feet to make my figures, but for this one, I didn't do that. I decided to try a little less and wanted to see how it turned out. Now it's time to add 2 more yellow pony beads. And we just completed another flower, and now we're going to add 3 green pony beads. And now we're going to add 2 yellow pony beads. Back to the middle, we're going to add 1 yellow, 1 brown, and 1 yellow pony bead. Now we're going to add 2 more pony beads to finish up this flower. If you are finding this video helpful, please give me a like and consider subscribing. I am trying to grow my channel, and every little like, hype, share, comment, anything like that means so much to me. It really, really does, and I thank you so much. Finally, we're going to add our last 3 green beads. This is going to be my last flower. Feel free to add more flowers if you're making one and you want more. I'm just going to end it here, and then I'm going to show you how to tie off and what I do to end the project. So take that right side of the cord and place it through the left as before, and pull up on the ends gently. And then we are going to tie our cords into a knot. And I like to use what's called the surgeon's knot. You may have your own way of tying off, and that's fine. However you tie your project off, do that. I will leave links in the description box to everything that I'm using here in this video. So pulling these two knots together, I'm just going to tighten it, and then I'm going to take my scissors and cut the extra cord off. Now finally, in the end steps, we're going to take some clear nail polish and I'm going to go over the end straps that I just cut off to make them more secure. Let that nail polish dry, and then we are set. We are done with our project. I hope you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see you at the next one. And if you have an idea for a pony bead figure or bracelet, please let me know in the description box, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!